Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. Today we're delving into the heart of the IELTS exam, Writing Task 2, which is the longer essay. If you're aiming for that top tier band score, you're in the right place. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and master everything IELTS. I promise that by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the strategies to tackle any essay prompt that comes your way. Let's dive in. Let's understand what IELTS Writing Task 2 is all about. In this task, you'll be presented with an essay prompt that requires you to express your opinion, provide solutions to a problem, or discuss both sides of an issue. You'll have to write a well-structured essay containing at least 250 words. Now, let's uncover the strategies that can turn your essays into masterpieces. One of the keys to success is understanding the essay prompt. Break it down into components. Identify the topic, the instruction verbs like discuss, evaluate, analyze, and any specific guidelines provided. This decoding process ensures you're addressing the task effectively. Now on to crafting a powerful thesis statement. Your thesis should clearly state your main points or arguments. This is the backbone of your essay. Let me show you a quick example. If the prompt is about the impact of social media on society, your thesis could be, while social media has revolutionized communication, its pervasive influence raises concerns about privacy and mental well-being. Structure is everything in an essay. Aim for a clear introduction, body paragraphs that delve into your points, and a strong conclusion. Each paragraph should have a central idea, and the entire essay should flow logically. Don't forget to use cohesive devices to link your ideas smoothly. Let's talk about developing those body paragraphs. Start with a topic sentence that introduces the main idea. Then follow up with supporting details and examples. Each paragraph should be a cohesive unit that contributes to the overall argument or discussion. Quality over quantity is the key here. A rich vocabulary and cohesive language can elevate your essay. Vary your sentence structures, use academic vocabulary, and employ linking words to connect ideas. This not only showcases your language skills, but also improves the overall flow of your essay. Now let's talk about time management, a crucial aspect of Writing Task 2. Spend around 5 minutes planning your essay. Allocate 30 minutes for writing, then reserve the last 5 minutes for proofreading. Stick to this timeline to ensure a well thought out and polished essay. No skill is perfected without practice. Take advantage of practice tests and essay prompts. Time yourself. Analyze your performance and identify areas for improvement. This not only hones your writing skills, but also boosts your confidence for the actual exam. Lastly, let's address some common pitfalls. Avoid being too one-sided in opinion essays. Consider the counter-argument. Also, be cautious with your word count. Writing too much or too little can impact your score. And of course, proofread for grammatical errors and clarity. There you have it. A comprehensive guide to mastering IELTS Writing Task 2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow test takers, friends, aunties, uncles, or even your local MP. Comment below with your favorite essay writing tip. With dedication and practice, you'll conquer this task and achieve the band score you deserve. Until next time, happy essay writing.